Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a super flavorful and comforting dish, KARELA KEEMA. Even if you're not a fan of bitter gourd, trust me, this recipe will totally change your mind. So I started by showing you about 2.5 kilos of KARELA, already cut into thin round slices. I sprinkled 2 teaspoons of salt over them and mixed everything well using my hands. Yes, all of them were in a shopping bag, which makes it super easy to handle. Once they were nicely coated, I closed the bag and gave it a good mix again. Then I showed you how I cut the slices up close, just so you can get an idea. Super simple and uniform. Now, after salting, I set the KARELA aside for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I grabbed a pot and added in 4 medium-sized chopped onions, followed by 1 cup of oil. Once the onions turned a nice light golden brown, I removed a little portion of them. And set them aside. We'll be using that later for extra flavor. Into the remaining onions, I added some whole spices, 1 tablespoon cumin, 6 to 7 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 2 anise stars, 1 teaspoon black cloves, and 2 black cardamoms. I fried the spices for a minute or two just to release their aroma. Next up, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. I sautéed it for another 1 to 2 minutes to remove that raw smell. Now it was time to add 400 grams of chicken mince. I fried this really well for 6 to 7 minutes until it changed color and started absorbing all the flavors. Time for some ground spices: 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder for color, and salt to taste. I gave it a good stir and cooked for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then I added 3 chopped tomatoes, mixed them in, and let it all cook down. After a couple of minutes, I added 1/2 cup of water, gave it a stir, and covered the pot for about 6 to 7 minutes on low flame. While that was cooking, I washed the KARELA thoroughly to remove any leftover salt. Then I dried them completely and fried them in hot oil until they turned golden and changed color. Don't skip this step. It removes all the bitterness and adds a great texture. Now back to our pot. After uncovering, I added the fried KARELA into the minced gravy. Along with the reserved fried onions and one more chopped tomato for freshness. I also poured in the leftover oil from the KARELA fry for an extra flavor punch. Everything got a good bunna. I fried it together for 6 to 7 minutes. Then gave it a final steam with the lid on for 3 to 4 minutes. And that's it! Our delicious, rich, and home-style KARELA KEEMA is ready to be served. Whether you eat it with roti or rice, this is a dish that brings comfort to every bite. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Also tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? I love seeing all of you from different corners of the world. Thanks for watching and cooking with me. See you in the next recipe.